Right, we're applying an 8-ply wrap to a joint that Charlie has made. This is an assembly that we have put together of piping, actually ductwork, and Charlie is applying. He's added a section of pipe, a straight pipe, to an elbow, and here he has a fitting coming off of that elbow, or a flange coming off that elbow. But he's applying the glass to hold this wrap together, or to hold this assembly together. We call it a wrap. So it's 6-ply of 1.5 ounce and 2-ply of woven roven. And he's wetting it out on the table. He has his resin mixed. So he's laid his ply on the table one at a time, wetted it out. Now he's peeling it up, and he's going to wet his surface before he puts it on there, so that the surface we make sure the surface is wet at the beginning. So he's wet the surface with the resin, the catalyzed resin. This is a vinyl ester resin, a premium vinyl ester resin from Ashland. What resin is it, Charlie?
411.
This is Darkane 411. He's bringing the 8-ply over to the assembly. He's splitting the difference half and half on one side of the joint to the other side, and now he will consolidate. We call it consolidating the resin into the glass even more than it was on the table, as well as conforming it to the pipe or to the joint. If you noticed, I failed to mention, when he put the pipe together, the two pieces of pipe or duct together, he put a putty in the seam, which serves to adhere it, but also serves to make a transition so that it's not a sharp edge. Now he's rolling out this 8-ply, and he's overlapped it, if you noticed, on what was underneath. So, he'll work his way around. He's done about a fourth of the layup. He's doing about a fourth of the way around the pipe for each layup. So now he'll make another 8-ply, come on the other side of the duct, and apply it. Maybe he's a third of the way around it.
Yeah.
A third of the way around it.
Thirds.
Charlie is a long-term employee of Composites USA. We also do this, in fact, he just got back from doing this in the field yesterday. So we do these joints in the field. If they are doable in the field, then we also do them in the plant so that there are less joints to do in the field. So we have full-time field crews that go into the field and install duct or install these assemblies with us having done some of the assembly work here in the plant. So Charlie just went to get more resin. He is now mixing it 1.5% of resin to MEKP, or MEKP to resin. He'll mix it up, and then he'll begin to wet another 8-ply of glass, 2-ply of woven roven, and 6-ply of what's called 1.5 ounce. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Charlie.
You're welcome.